Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now, Apple has officially released iOS 26.2.1, but iOS 26.3 is already available in beta versions. In this video, I will explain everything in a simple and clear way. What beta versions actually are, difference between stable iOS and beta iOS, who should install iOS 26.3 beta and who should not, and finally step by step how you can install iOS 26.3 beta on your iPhone safely. This video is purely educational, so please watch till the end before installing anything. What is a beta iOS version? First of all, let's understand what a beta version is. A beta version is a testing version of iOS that Apple releases before the final public update. Apple releases beta versions so that developers can test their applications. Apple can find bugs, performance, battery and stability issues can be fixed. That's why beta versions are not 100% stable. You may experience battery drain, heating issues, application crashes, banking or payment apps not working. So beta versions are made mainly for testing, not for perfect daily use. And this point is very important. So important things to do before installing. So before installing any beta version, please do these things. Take a full iCloud backup. Go to settings, tap your Apple ID, open iCloud, then iCloud backup and tap backup now. Make sure your battery is at least 50% or keep your iPhone connected to the charger. Make sure you have enough free storage, at least 6 to 8 GB on your iPhone. Do not skip this part. Now let's start the tutorial how to install iOS 26.3 public beta version. Step 1 is to open Apple Beta website. The link is also in the description of this video, beta.apple.com. Now let's start the installation process. Open Safari browser on your iPhone, go to the website beta.apple.com. Step 2 is to sign in with your Apple ID. This should be the same Apple ID that you are using on your iPhone. Step 3 is to enroll your iPhone. After signing in, tap on Enroll Your Devices. Select iOS, accept the terms and conditions. This will register your iPhone for beta updates. Step 4 is to enable beta updates. Now open your settings on your iPhone, go to General, Software Updates, tap on Beta Updates, then select iOS 26.3 Public Beta. Now go back to the previous screen. So this is the step 5 to download and install. You will now see iOS 26.3 beta update available. Tap download and install. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed because it will going to download a large iOS firmware file which will take time. Once downloaded, your iPhone will restart and it will going to install the updates. So during the update, make sure you connect your iPhone to the charger so it don't get interrupted. After installation, there are some important notes that I want to tell you. So after installation of the beta version, your iPhone may feel slow for the first 1 or 2 days. Battery optimization happens in the background, so this is completely normal. If you face any bugs, Apple provides a feedback assistant app where you can report issues. So how to leave the beta version? Now let's come to that part. If you ever want to stop receiving the beta updates in the future, now you can simply go to the settings, General, Software Updates, Beta Updates and select off. Downgrading to the stable iOS requires a computer and it may erase the data. So always be careful. If you want to downgrade your iOS version to the stable iOS version, you can check out my other videos. I have placed the link in the description of this video for the downgrade tutorial. Now final advice. So if you want stability and reliability, stay on iOS 26.2.1. If you love testing new features and accept some bugs, then iOS 26.3 beta is for you. Beta software is for testing, not perfection. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment below if you want an iOS 26.3 beta review. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.